Hello traders, welcome to this video on the previous week high-low indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video, we will cover how prior week levels appear on the charts and what they imply for swing trading and weekly analysis. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. If you can look closely. The previous week high-low indicator draws horizontal lines, marking the high and low of the prior trading week on the current chart. These lines are automatically recalculated and updated at the start of each new week. The prior week's high implies a resistance zone that price may react to on approach, while the prior week's low implies a support zone. Breaks above or below these levels can imply a shift in weekly directional bias, making them useful reference points for swing traders and those trading on daily or 4-hour charts. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. The inputs. Alright, so our only input here is the time zone of data as a singular input for the indicator. And then we can also choose our colors and trade or load the indicator on our preferred time frames. So who is this indicator for? This indicator shows swing traders, position traders, and weekly structure traders. It is compatible with MT4 and MT5. It is a visual reference tool only. It does not execute trades. Weekly levels should be confirmed with price action context. The download links are in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.